Hello and welcome to Project Sheet for Excel. With this app, you can create a project schedule with work breakdown and Gantt chart in a spreadsheet. We start in Excel with opening a new spreadsheet. In this spreadsheet, we insert the add-in from the built-in App Store. After installation, the ribbon contains an icon to open the add-in. To continue for free, there is no need to sign in. For Pro, you sign in with your Microsoft account. The new spreadsheet needs to be prepared by adding two app-specific sheets. The Tasks sheet consists of a table with task rows and a Gantt chart with a timescale. The Project sheet contains a summary of the project. The pane can be closed while editing. As an example, we enter a task in the task description column. The pane can be used to enter the start and finish dates in the correct date format. The task becomes visible as a bar in the Gantt chart where the dates can be seen in the timescale. Thank you for watching this demo video. More videos are available in the Project Sheet for Excel playlist in the video description.